Hello everyone. Today I am taking your electronics lecture in 12th syllabus topic first instruments of electronic system. Okay, instruments. In instruments, basically we should know which kind of instruments which are using in electronic system. Okay, first of all, most important part in the instrumentation in the instruments are, yes, CRO, digital multimeter, function generator. These are the main parts which are daily we are using in practicals and other kinds of experiments. Okay, in CRO, actually the CRT plays very much important role. Okay, in short, CRT is the heart of the CRO. Okay, CRO today I'm taking CRO. Okay, in CRT is the heart of the CRO. In this again, uh, here, see the diagram of CRT. Actually, this is the diagram of CRT. CRT means cathode ray tube, cathode ray tube. Okay, CRT means cathode ray tube, and this is the diagram of CRT. In this, there is pins. Okay, next there is base. Here, this is filament. Here, this is focusing anode. Here, vertical deflection plates, and these are the horizontal deflection plates. This is accelerating anode. Okay, this is focusing anode. This is pre-accelerating anode, and this one is control grid. Okay, these are the various parts which are using in CRT. Okay, these are the components which, by using these components, CRT will be built up successfully. Okay, here see this one is horizontal deflection plates and this one is vertical deflection plates. Basically, you should know deflection means what? Yes, when the object travel from one when the object, suppose there is a, this will be travel from 1 kilometer, and at the end of 1 kilometer there is a object which is B. When object travels one place to another place, then that time deflection will be occurred. Okay, same way in horizontal deflection plate and in vertical deflection plates. Okay, in vertical deflection plates, CRO, screen of the CRO, screen of the CRO, this kind of screen is present in CRO screen. Okay, here these are the vertical lines, that's why this is called as vertical plates. Okay, this is called as vertical axis. Actually, vertical axis, I'm just giving example of vertical deflection plates and horizontal deflection plates. Okay, and this is horizontal lines, that's why this is called as horizontal axis. That means what? This will be moved horizontally, that means this way. Okay, the object will be moved this manner. Same way in this, here these are your horizontal deflection plates. Okay, the object deflects horizontal manner, and this will be vertical deflection plates. Means what? The object travels or object deflects in vertical manner. Okay, this is accelerating anode. Okay, after that focusing anode, after that pre-accelerating anode, then cathode. Okay, this is nothing but filament which is used in CRT. Then again, see this what? This is base of this arrow, and these are the pins. Okay, here see this. This is the screen of CRT, which is very important. Okay, this is the screen of CRT. Here, this is electron beam. See these lines, dotted lines. This is called as electron beams. That means what? Electrons dump on the CRO in this manner. Okay, this is electron beams. Next, this screen is coated with fluorescent. material. That's why this is called as fluorescent screen. And again, after that, this is aqueduct coating, okay, which is present in CRT. Next, the main part of CRT is, first of all, first one is what? Electron gun assembly. In electron gun assembly, which parts contain the electron gun assembly? See this. See, cathode, then pre-accelerating anode, then grid, control grid actually, then focusing anode, then deflection, focusing anode, then accelerating anode. These all parts consist this all part presents in electron gun assembly. Okay, next one is what? Deflection plates. In this, vertical deflection plates and horizontal deflection plates contains deflection plates. Okay, here in electron gun, see, in electron gun, first of all, in electron gun assembly, second one is deflection plate assembly, third one is fluorescent screen, fourth one is glass envelope and base of the tube. These four are the main parts of CRT. Suppose in exam, suppose this question asked for 8 marks, then you have to cover first of all this diagram, then next one this part of the CRT, okay, this part of the CRT, then next one the main parts of CRT. See here, these are the main parts of CRT. Which one? Electron gun assembly, then deflection plates assembly, then fluorescent screen, then glass envelope, and last one is what? Base of the tube. Okay, in electron gun, electrons are emitted from indirectly heated cathode. Okay, see this is your cathode. Okay, the electrons are emitted from this cathode. That means what? When the cathode will be burned out, or when the cathode is heated, then that time electrons will be emitted. Okay, the cathode is surrounded by a control grid. See this is your control grid. That means what? The cathode is surrounded by control grid. The electron that passes through small hole in a grid make up beam current. Okay, the magnitude of beam current can be adjusted by intensity control. Next one is what? The electrons are then accelerated by higher positive potential applied to accelerating anodes. See these are the two accelerating anodes. Okay, first one is pre-accelerating anode. This is your pre-accelerating anodes, and second one is accelerating anode, and between these focusing anode is present. Okay, that's why he says, that's why the electrons are then accelerated by higher positive potential applied to two potential accelerating anodes. Okay, next one is what? Deflection plate assembly. Next one, okay, deflection plate assembly. In this deflection plates, see deflection plates, vertical deflection plate and horizontal deflection plate. These two are very much important. Okay, if voltages are applied to the deflection plates, the electron beam can be deflected in horizontal direction by horizontal deflection plates, or in vertical direction by vertical deflection plates. Mostly electrostatic deflection is used in CRT. See this. See, these are two types of deflection plates. Okay, you are getting my point? Yes, these are two types of deflection plates. First one is vertical deflection plate and second one is horizontal deflection plate. Suppose if voltages is applied to these deflection plates, then your plates will be travel as horizontal manner or vertical manner. Okay, in CRT, suppose your voltages is applied to deflection plates, then that time what will be happen? This voltage accepted by, suppose vertical deflection plates are accepted this voltage, then that time these plates will be deflected in vertical manner, or when horizontal deflection plates applied voltage will be accepted, then that time these plates will be, yes, these plates will be deflected by horizontal manner. Okay, next one is what? fluorescent screen. Okay, this is your fluorescent screen. Which one? This is your fluorescent screen. Okay, in fluorescent screen, when electron beam strikes the screen of the CRT, a spot of light is produced. A spot of light. These electron guns are emitted by the heated cathode. Okay, then this will be passage through accelerating anode, pre-accelerating anode, focusing anode, control grid, vertical deflection plates, horizontal deflection plates, and this will be dumped on fluorescent screen, and that time a spot of light is produced. On the inner surface of the screen, phosphor coating is present. See, spot of light is produced on the inner surface of the screen. Okay, and there is phosphor is also present, because this is phosphor screen. Actually, the secondary electrons are collected by the conductive coating. Okay, then the secondary electrons are conducted by the coating. This coating is called as aqueduct coating, which is electrically connected to the second anode. Okay, this will be electrically connected by the second anode. Yes, you are getting my point. Yes, you are getting my point. Okay, next one is what? Electron beam. Okay, electron beam means actually the group of electrons are emitted from the cathode, and this will be dumped on the fluorescent screen. This is nothing but actually the way of electrons which are passing from one cathode to fluorescent screen. Okay, this is your, actually today I am taking this CRT part, and this will be asked in continuously exam for 4 marks or for 8 marks. Okay, for 4 marks or for 8 marks, this question will be asked in exam. Okay, in next lecture we take the block diagram of CRO. Okay, in next lecture we have to take the block diagram of CRO. This is very important question. Very important. Okay, thank you.